2019 is kind of the year for foldable phones, and with the two biggest smartphone makers going head to head with different approaches, which is better, the Huawei Mate X or the GalaxyFold? I'm curious, if you were to pick one regardless of the price, which would it be? Do let me know in the comment section below. I don't think I've been this excited about smartphones in a while, and I can see this being the next big thing, the future of smartphones, which started with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And then a few days later, at the Mobile World Congress, its biggest and deadliest rival came along, the Huawei Mate X. And it literally disrupted the smartphone industry, because it had a different design. It was beautiful, more beautiful than the Galaxy Fold, and it has a bigger screen. And it's lighter and less chunky compared to the Galaxy Fold, with it being 5mm when unfolded and 11mm when folded. That's impressive for a foldable phone. Whereas we don't know the dimensions, weight or thickness of the Galaxy Fold. Samsung hasn't really been very open with the Galaxy Fold, whereas Huawei let people play with the Mate X. It kind of shows to an extent the level of trust the company has in its product, though none of them is readily available right now. But from what we've seen so far from the demonstrations and the hands-on video, the Galaxy Fold seems to be more sturdy, more finished, more complete, more well thought out. Though not being as pretty as the Huawei Mate X, it looks like something that will hold up longer. Because when you look at the design, it folds inwards like a clamshell. Now that's going to protect your display, because foldable phones use plastic OLED, glass doesn't fold, and plastic is prone to scratches. So a device that folds inwards and protects your plastic OLED is likely to last longer, in theory. Unlike the Fold, the Mate X is all screen when folded and unfolded. Now the problem comes in when it's folded. The rear screen is gonna be in direct contact with whatever surface you place it on, and being plastic, it's gonna scratch at a level 3 with deeper grooves at a level 4, and that's not gonna be cute. But on the Fold, the plastic OLED is protected in a clamshell, which makes it less prone to scratches, so that's a win for Samsung. But on the flip side, when you compare them as phones, the Mate X just wipes the floor with the Galaxy Fold. 6.6 inch on the Mate X compared to a meager 4.6 inch on the Galaxy Fold, with huge ugly ass bezels. The Mate X just blows the Galaxy Fold out of the water in this regard. It might be a little too big for some, but it's definitely prettier for everybody. It also has a bigger battery at 4500 compared to 4380 on the Galaxy Fold, and a bigger display when unfolded, 8 inch compared to 7.3 inch on the Galaxy Fold. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. $2,600 for the Huawei Mate X and $1,980 for the Galaxy Fold. That's about $800 difference. Now the price difference is quite significant, so the Galaxy Fold takes the cake for being way cheaper. Despite being cheaper, it's still not a cheap smartphone. I don't think either company is going to make a lot of profit from these smartphones, but also I don't think they're after profits. They're taking the risk to show the possibility of this cutting-edge technology. So kudos to Samsung and Huawei for making smartphones exciting again. In Unbox Therapy's video, where he compared both of them, he said if he had to pick one, it would be the Huawei Mate X. Well, if I had to pick one, it would be the Galaxy Fold. Mostly because I have more faith in Samsung's display to look better and last longer. And also the Fold looks more durable. So yeah. That being said, please let me know in the comment section below, which of these would you pick if you were to choose one? Remember to subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech updates like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post another video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.